In this video, I have shown how I fixed Dell 3542 laptop which won't turn on and also not charge. So let's fix it. Here motherboard part number is FX3MC and revision A00. CLR point I am getting 19 volt. On battery terminal, data and clock line, here I am getting 2.7 volt instead of 3.3 volt. Here I am checking 3.3 volt and 5 volt which I am not getting. On CMOS battery, it's showing 3 volt something. That's fine. It's my request to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos like this. So let's continue. Here I found buck regulator IC which produces 3 volt and 5 volt is burnt. It has hole on it. So I will replace the IC first and then check further. After replacing IC, the issue remains the same. So while diagnosing, I found there is another problem located near I/O controller. The issue is related PSL logic. So I have bypassed the PSL logic by soldering enameled wire to the transistor. So now I am getting proper and steady 3.3 volt on I/O controller, which earlier I was not getting. After bypassing PSL logic, board is successfully turned on. So let's connect display and then we'll check further. See here, I also get a display. That means repair was done. I'll show you the display again after reassembling the laptop. If you have any doubt related to this video, then let me know in a comment section. So I will try my best to solve.